So this video is on how to coil up a extension cord if you don't want it to be all twisted up or whatever. Most people do this, and then it gets all tangled up, and you could try and undo it, and you're sitting here trying to undo it, and it just is all tangled up. So the best way that I've learned how to do this is stretch it all out, make sure there's no kinks or twists or anything, and you take two ends, you can plug it in, and then you hold them together like this, and then you make a loop. So we're going to make a loop with this, and we're going to twist so we make a circle. So I'll do that again, have it like this. We're just going to make a circle so you can see how the circle is going, and I'm just going to put it back in my perspective, and then I'm going to take some and I'm just going to put it inside that circle just like that, and then I can let this go, and I hold here. I'm going to take this and put this inside that circle. I can let go, and I'm holding it here. I take this, put this inside this circle, and you just keep doing it. You just keep doing it until you have maybe not enough left to do it again. So I can't make another circle. So what I'll do is now I'll stick this up in the circle, and I can use this to hang on anything. So it'll hang just like this, or I can rest it over something like this, and nothing is going to get ever tangled again. When we want to undo it, this part that if we were hanging it on is the only one. We have to go back through the circle, and then I can just grab it, shake the whole thing out, and it's perfect every time.